Ethan Clark was 35 years old and lived with his wife Olivia in a quiet town near Birmingham, England. Ethan worked nights as a machine engineer in a car parts factory. The work was stressful, but it paid the bills and he took pride in being dependable. Their life was simple. Tea together after work. Netflix on the sofa. Rain tapping softly against the windows while Olivia rested her head on his shoulder. Ethan loved that life because it felt safe. One cold Thursday night, he came home exhausted after fixing a major issue at the factory. His manager, Graham Foster, praised him before he left. "Brilliant work tonight, Ethan." By 10 p.m., Ethan and Olivia were asleep. Then, at 5:43 the next morning, everything changed. Ethan woke suddenly to the sound of someone crying softly. He opened his eyes and saw Olivia sitting on the edge of the bed, holding her phone tightly and shaking hands. Her face looked pale, terrified. "What happened?" Ethan asked quickly. She turned toward him slowly. "Your boss called me." Ethan frowned. "What?" "He rang my phone before 6 in the morning asking where you were." Her voice cracked. "I thought you were dead, Ethan." Those words hit him hard. Olivia's eyes filled with tears. "I thought there'd been an accident, or someone from work was calling to tell me something terrible." Ethan felt anger rise slowly inside him. Not because of the call, because of the fear on her face. He checked his own phone. 3 missed calls from Graham. 1 message. Urgent. Machine failure. Ethan called him back immediately. "There's a problem with the production machine," Graham snapped. "Get here now." Ethan drove through the dark, rainy streets feeling exhausted and furious. When he finally arrived at the factory, workers stood around the machine waiting for him. He checked the system. Pressed restart. The machine came back to life instantly. Perfect. No issue. No emergency. Nothing. Ethan stared at the screen in disbelief. That was it? His wife had spent an hour terrified for this? Moments later, Graham walked over. "It's working now?" he asked. "Yes," Ethan replied coldly. Graham sighed in relief. "Good." Ethan looked directly at him. "You called my wife before 6 in the morning." "You weren't answering," Graham replied casually. Ethan's jaw tightened. "She thought I was dead." The room fell silent. Graham looked uncomfortable for only a second before shrugging. "I was trying to solve a business problem." Ethan stepped closer. "And you created another one." For the first time in years, Ethan realized something painful. To the company, he was replaceable. But to Olivia, he was everything. And no machine in the world was more important than the fear he saw in her eyes that morning. That same day, Ethan sent a formal complaint to HR. But before he pressed send, he added one final sentence. "My job matters to me, but my family matters more."